Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to reset all settings in the ASUS ZenBeam E1 projector. Just open the menu by clicking menu button on the projector's top cover and go right to the setup, click menu button once more, go right to the reset all settings, click menu button, go to yes, and confirm everything by clicking menu button once again, and it's done. Now you need to select the language and all settings have been successfully resetted. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.